Across the globe, environmental issues dominate today's headlines. In response, nations, companies, and everyday people are changing the way we do things to help preserve and protect our world for the future. I'm Terry Bradshaw. Whether it's cleaner air, sustainable development, or energy efficiency, join me as we span the globe to bring you the stories that truly matter. Welcome to the Environmental Report. The general public can be forgiven for thinking that the equipment and facilities utilized in the oil and gas industry, from well to storage to refinery, are used to working amid dirt and impurities. The truth is, this equipment could not function properly and could become dangerous to the operators if it wasn't spotlessly clean and free of contaminants when the initial switch is thrown. Just a tiny amount of scale or debris in the wrong place can cause a calamity and cost the owners untold millions. Also, any pipes or vessels that must bear high pressure during operation need to be tested for leakage prior to startup. Companies that specialize in this important work before system startup, referred to as mechanical pre-commissioning, are rare, and few have amassed the necessary experience and expertise. One such company is FourQuest Energy.
For the most companies in the industry, their core business is either downhole pressure pumping services or industrial cleaning services, while our core business is mechanical pre-commissioning services. FourQuest Energy specializes in providing this vital service for the energy industry.
The company executes a wide range of cleaning techniques, including steam and air blowing, chemical cleaning, and flushing. For testing the integrity of hydrocarbon process vessels and piping, FourQuest injects them with nitrogen and helium to look for any leaks. A leakage of hydrocarbons in liquid or gaseous form can be toxic, start fires, and damage the environment. New projects should be planned with this in mind, as early testing can prevent a disaster in the making.
FourQuest Energy gets involved during the detailed engineering phase, which is 2 years before the field execution phase. If we can make changes when the facility is still a 3D model, huge savings can be achieved for the client for the overall pre-commissioning costs.
Many practitioners in the field of facility maintenance don't necessarily know what they were doing when it comes to precision cleaning. For example, advanced engineering principles come into play, such as calculating the cleaning force ratio.
The cleaning methods are selected and backed up by solid engineering principles. Our procedures, calculations, and field testing ensure an effective and efficient cleaning process. The emphasis here is on the engineering. Everything we do in the field, we engineer first.
There are frequently large populations living close to hydrocarbon refineries and other industry facilities. These neighbors are well aware when the plant is having issues with gas leakage. The foul smell can permeate for miles around the facility, impacting the health and quality of life of the surrounding population. The oil and gas industry relies heavily on the goodwill it receives from its neighbors. Nobody wants bad press or upset citizens.
I was once involved in the testing of a small system on a gas facility. The combined leak rate of that was over 340,000 standard cubic feet of gas per year, of which contained large amounts of H2S, which is lethal even in small doses.
Events of the past few years have left the oil and gas industry extremely safety conscious. FourQuest Energy is proud that as of June 2012, the company has amassed over 350,000 worker hours without a time loss incident.
Savings can cover the cost of the whole field execution, usually measured in the millions of dollars. Early engineered pre-commissioning affects cost, schedule, and the quality. All of these factors contribute to a safe startup and environmentally friendly facility.
When it comes to safely and cleaning operating an oil or gas facility, the value is in the details.